This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lorraine Tice. Quality is evident in every inch of this stunning updated brick home in the gated community of Sawbuck. Originally built in 1987, renovations have been in full swing since 2021. The Gourmet Kitchen was relocated and designed by Carson's Cabinetry. Appliances include Wolfe Gas Range top, convection oven plus a Steam Convection Oven great for baking, Venta hood exhaust system, Subzero Double Refrigerator faced with wood and mirrored panels, glass china cabinets, Miele Dishwasher and a Panda Marble Countertop. You have to see it and cook in it to believe the quality and its functionality for the chef of the family. Adjacent to this fabulous kitchen, you'll find a gathering room with a walnut cabinet to hold your china and glassware, wet sink and 2 refrigerators, which is ideal for your intimate celebrations. Enjoy your walk in Butler's pantry with a Miele Coffee Maker, 4-door Samsung refrigerator, Bosch Dishwasher, prep sink and loads of functional cabinets for storage. Don't miss the full-sized wine refrigerator. French oak flooring by Villa Borghese was recently installed throughout the home, with the exception of the media/game room, and is exquisite. The family/media room has a wet bar complete with an ice machine and Subzero Double Refrigerator drawers plus built-in bookcases and access through French doors to the Covered Open Porch and huge saltwater pool beyond. It's the perfect space for private time, movie night or entertaining your friends and neighbors. The owner's suite is spacious and the bathroom features 2 new spacious custom closets with wood cabinetry, huge walk-in shower plus freestanding modern tub, soft close drawers, double sinks with man-made quartz countertops and loads of storage space. Enjoy the Luce feather mineral spring pearl wall while relaxing in your soaking tub. There is a large room across from the owner's suite that has served as an office but can be used as a nursery or a 6th bedroom with a closet and access to the remodeled full guest bath. The screened porch is now a permanent sun room with 2 split systems allowing comfortable year-round enjoyment. The covered lanai and open deck overlook the beautiful saltwater pool with plenty of space for your chaise lounges. There is nothing as satisfying as having complete privacy on your own 2 acres of beautifully landscaped fenced property. For more information, review the details below.